Hey y'all, I am back with a YouTube video. The queen is back. I'm just kidding. So in the next video you might see me, I don't know, but I'm back. This is the year 2020 in phase 1 of reopening New York. So I am 17 years old, turning 18 this year. So excited. There's a lot of things happening this year, and you know what? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about what's happening this year. There was Kobe's death, which happened in February. Kobe Bryant. No, January. That happened in January. So that happened this year. There was a pandemic, which who would have thought? There is a protest. We are literally making history right now. School closed. There is no more school. It's online school, and I have been doing online school, and I absolutely hate it. So disgusting. But you know the good thing is that I don't have to take the Regents and I automatically get that credit. I'm still in high school, but your girl is coming out of high school with her advanced Regents diploma because I had to take the geometry test again. Well, Regents again. And now I don't have to take it because I automatically got that credit. Also, let me tell you, if y'all think Algebra 1 was easy, do not go into Algebra 2, baby, because you want to know why? It was the hardest thing I've ever done in my entire life. In my entire life. Anyways, that was my rant. I will see you in the next clip. Get run over. Hey guys, welcome back.
You're vlogging? Oh my god, I love that. Don't get at
Oh, where's the
You guys should perform.
We're at the beach.
No, we're not, Josie.
I mean, no, we're not.
I mean, no, we're not. So cool.
I don't know, I'm just trying
Yeah, it kind of did.
to walk.
It got cold out of nowhere.
Let's rush.
We are currently at the food.
Oh, the hot girl. Pop, bitch.
Ashley's being retarded. Oh, don't use the R word.
What's up, guys?
Bleep it out. Bleep the R word out. I'm using
Oh my god. What's up, guys?
We're on the way to the pet store. We're gonna probably buy a chameleon or a rabbit. We have no idea yet what we're gonna get, but I really want a chameleon and my butt hurts from going to the beach. What is your opinion, Mom?
I don't want a chameleon.
Oh well, we're getting one. Anyways, see you guys at the pet store. I got the pet store, but I got a chameleon and he or she is so cute. We don't know if it's a boy or a girl yet, so that's him or her. He or she is so cute. And yeah, I was like so happy that I got him or her. I've been wanting a chameleon for a while, so to finally get one is kind of crazy. Yeah, he's so freaking cute. I named him or her Pascal. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.